Which city was honored with the Partnership for Healthy Cities Award 2023 for their tobacco control efforts?
Bangalore.
Which country's president, Ranil Wickremesinghe, announced that the government will implement the 13th Amendment, which provides for the devolution of power to the minority Tamil community?
Sri Lanka.
Bogibeel, where the foundation stone for the Inland Waterways Transport Terminal was laid, is in which state?
Assam.
What is the primary purpose of the High Performance Computing (HPC) systems, Arka and Arunika, inaugurated by PM Modi?
Weather and climate research.
What is the IMF's economic growth forecast for Pakistan in 2023?
2.5%.
Who recently made history by becoming the first woman Chief Minister of Punjab province in Pakistan?
Maryam Nawaz.
Which country is hosting the FIDE World Championship 2023?
Kazakhstan.
Which company recently secured the first ever NBFC license for revenue-based finance (RBF) startup in India?
Getvantage.
What is India's rank as a producer of crude steel in the year 2022-23?
Second.
Recently, who won the bronze medal in the Shotgun Junior World Cup in Italy?
Sabira Harris.
Which team won the Asian Champions Trophy title in 2023, clinching their fourth championship?
India.
How many railway stations are scheduled to be upgraded under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme?
1,275.
Which organization has shortlisted astronauts for the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station, ISS?
ISRO.
Which country has confirmed that a balloon identified by Washington and Bogota flying over Latin America is Chinese after a similar device was shot down by the United States?
China.
Who is the fastest player to reach 2,000 runs in ODIs?
Shubman Gill.
Which state government launched the TN Reach initiative to use over 80 unused helipads soon?
Tamil Nadu.
Jal Jan Abhiyan was recently inaugurated in which state UT?
Rajasthan.
Which is the first country to back the debt restructure program of Sri Lanka?
India.
The 24th batch of civil servants from which country has recently been trained by the National Centre for Good Governance, NCGG?
Maldives.
Which organization collaborated with India's Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare to launch the Millets, Seeds of Change exhibition?
Google.
Where was India's first Graphene Center and Center of Excellence, COE, in IoT sensors inaugurated?
Kerala.
When is Engineers Day celebrated in India?
September 15th.
Kirkuk, which was seen in the news, is located in which country?
Iraq.
Which state in India signed an MoU with SBI General Insurance for disaster risk management?
Nagaland.
Who recently assumed the role of Managing Director and CEO of Federal Bank in September 2024?
KVS Manian.
In which year did India witness a record of 149.5 trillion rupees UPI and card transactions?
2022.
Who recently received the PRSI National Award for Outstanding Contributions to the Public Relations Society of India, PRSI, and the Public Relations Industry?
Sugandhi Sundarraj.
Which scheme was launched by the government to provide quality education to scheduled caste students?
Shrestha Scheme.
From which bank did IREDA receive the infrastructure finance company status?
RBI.
Where did the avian influenza response simulation exercise take place on June 19 to 20, 2024?
Bhopal.
Recently, which state government has decided to establish a State Water Information Center, SWIC?
Odisha.
According to recent study, overexploitation of host plant species is endangering which group of insects in Assam's forests?
Swallowtail butterflies.
Where was the panel discussion on the role of G20 in creating global economic stability held?
Dubai.
Which organization received a UN award for its contribution to sustainability reporting?
Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICI.
Which service provider has become the first digital payments app to enable the linkage of 2 lakh rupee credit cards to the Unified Payments Interface, UPI?
PhonePe.
Which 2 companies have partnered with ITC to help Indian tobacco farmers combat climate-related challenges?
Microsoft and SKYMT.
Which space agency has developed the Aeolus satellite?
ESA.
Who is considered the father of economics?
Adam Smith.
Which country emphasized the need for urgent reform of multilateral institutions at the Voice of Global South Summit?
India.
Who was conferred with the Companion of the Order of Fiji during a state visit?
Draupadi Murmu.